Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Afterpay card number, or in other words, how to see your Afterpay card number quickly and easily. Guys, I'll cover two simple methods to access your card details. Let's dive in. First, open the App Store or Google Play and search for Afterpay. Download the Afterpay app if you haven't already, then log in with your email and password. Once in, tap the Wallet or Card tab. This varies by app version. Your virtual Afterpay card details, including the card number and CVV, should display there. If you don't see it, ensure you're verified at afterpay.com. If the Afterpay app isn't available or you've linked your Afterpay card to Apple Wallet, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Find your Afterpay card in the list, tap it, then hit the three dots in the top right. Select Card Details, not Pass Details, to view your card number, CVV, and expiration date. For Android, use Google Wallet similarly if linked. Unique tip: take a screenshot of your card details in a secure app like Notes with a passcode for quick access during checkouts. If the card doesn't show, verify your Afterpay account or relink it in Apple Wallet via the Afterpay app. Contact Afterpay support at help@afterpay.com for issues. That's it. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.